Hi everyone, it's Paris again. Sorry, I won't have a smile on today because it's a very bad day in Melbourne. It's a dark day, not only weather-wise, but also there's a major bird sale on today at Sky in Victoria, that's near Frankston. This sale is run annually for at least 50 years, if not more. And that's where pet birds are kept in little boxes. And displayed like flowers and like wilted flowers for the general public to come and visit. And usually the general public that go are the people that buy the birds to breed them and on-sell them again. So it's a terrible day, absolutely terrible, terrible day, where birds are once again allowed by our state government, our Victorian Labor state government, to be sold, exploited, abused, and used by people who have no morality, no ethics, and don't care at all about the well-being or welfare of birds. They believe that selling birds in a small box and having them on display tragic conditions. If you ever get an opportunity to go to any of these bird sales that are on weekly in all states of Australia, and in many suburbs of Australia, please do so and be prepared for the tragic and abusive conditions that you will witness. And if you don't have time to go out in person to these bird sales, you can go to the Facebook pages and websites and see how many birds are being sold in awful conditions. So I'd really like it if we can share with everyone what's going on out there so we can ban bird breeding for once and for all in Australia. There are plenty of birds that need to be adopted. Even birds that are sold at pet shops and other places need to be rescued and taken away from these awful places, because birds belong in huge, large aviaries out in the elements safely and not in small boxes to be sold off like small little decorations, pretty decorations for hundreds and thousands of dollars at these tragic bird sale events. So please share this video and let everyone know that it's about time. We really need to ban bird sales all over Australia, in every single state, every single suburb, and every single street has a bird breeder. Thank you for watching and for listening and for your compassion for birds. Bye.